Here we have Volkswagen Passat, 1.5 litre TSI SEL Evo Saloon, 150 PS. The car's in great shape and comes with a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, lane assist, traffic jam assist, radar sensor, controlled distance monitor, hill hold function, and these 17-inch Nivelle alloy wheels. The boot just pops open, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a dynamic road sign display, heated front seats, and a Discover navigation. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.